Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm here to bring you my first impressions of the Google Pixel 5. Now, this phone is one that I've spent a couple of days with now and really wanted to see how it was. This came to us from Google in a really nice package, Go Team Pixel, and this one had Pixel Buds, a case, and everything ready for me to test it out. I'll do a separate review on the Pixel Buds later, but they have something really amazing and something okay. Overall though, with the Pixel 5, I think the biggest reason everyone is interested in this phone is because of the camera quality, which beats most $1,000 phones easily, and for its ability to have stock Android and all that comes with it for an affordable price point of $799. This gives you a lot in terms of the best bang for the buck flagship phone. And it really stands out so much that, Samsung and Apple are really going to compete against it in this kind of tier. And for the best entry phone, I would say this is leaning towards the best one as of right now. Again, first impressions, so let me get to it. First of all, the camera quality. The camera quality so far has lived up to my expectations. I want to take more shots in more places. Obviously, it's not the easiest thing to do in this time, but over the next weekend, I'm going to really kind of put it through its paces and really test all the lighting situations. I will say one thing I'm very, very impressed by is the fact that I finally get a Pixel with a wide angle camera. It's been a long time coming, but just having that photo correctness with that camera sensor technology where it post-process to make a photo look way better than it would have otherwise with a wide angle is amazing. Also, the portrait low light is really good. I did it in a really low light situation with my son and I was impressed how good it got it. Now, obviously, I think the trimming of hair can go worse with that. Also with my glasses it did at times. So you have to be careful with that, but you can actually take a shot and then change where the blur effect is, and I really think that was a really cool feature. So I'm very interested in this one and I will kind of go over it more in the review. With the battery life, I have been impressed by it. As a secondary phone, I've always had over 50% at the end of the day. I will put it as a primary phone over the weekend and again really test out how heavy users would feel, because that's the biggest thing. A lot of people always say, oh, it has a great all-day battery life. Yeah, I'm a heavy user. And by heavy user, I mean I can stream 4 to 5 hours of YouTube and navigation at the same time. So when it's heavy use, it's really going to be the most draining thing. The ones that use every part of the camera, the ones that use every part of the phone overall and really put it through its paces. That is what this phone could offer, but we'll have to wait to see how it is with the processor that it has on there. Overall, I haven't had any issues with the performance, though it does feel a little bit slower. I'm going to show my video on how to speed it up. I haven't done that yet, but I have a feeling after that it will even move faster than it already does. So overall with this phone, the performance has been really good, and overall I think it's a better size compared to the 4A. For me, the 4A was a little too small at 5.8-inch screen, but I do still regard it as the best budget phone if you just want a good camera and a good battery life. With this one, I do want a little bit more because I want it to know that, you have the performance of a flagship, you have everything you need, and we'll have to wait to see if Google has it. When it comes to camera quality though, we don't have the iPhone 12 mini yet, but we do have the Samsung FE. Because I use the S20 Plus and because I use the Galaxy Fold 2, I can tell you that this one easily has a better camera than those. The Ultra is a bit different when it comes to the Note 20, but with this one, it really is just clearly better than any camera in this price range, at least for now. So depends on what you want, depends on what you need, but I think if you want the best camera quality in this price range, you're definitely going to want to check out the Pixel 5. We'll have to see everything else over time, but that is the biggest thing that I think is what people expected, and I think it's what we got. Overall, I'm really impressed with this phone. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm very interested to see how this will turn out. Thank you guys always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.